properties? Here are some of the types of sellers that we are looking for.
I'm so glad I divorced that slimy sliver of a husband, and the last memory from that disaster he called a marriage is this house.
And here's another one.
I've had my house on the market for months and my agent just can't seem to sell it.
Those are the types of sellers that we are looking for at realestateinvestorbirddog.com. Our goal is to keep our list of hungry buyers satisfied with the best deals around. If you haven't already went to our website, visit it today, realestateinvestorsbirddog.com.